to the left, drop it.
Wow.
Just drop it. Open up and close and open up. Close, open up. Close, open up. Close, open up. Close and open and close. And open up, close, one more time, and close. And go ahead, open up, close, open up, close. Wow, what a difference. Perfect. All the way out. Want to play the toes down for me?
Oh. Wow.
How did that feel?
That felt amazing.
Awesome.
Oh,
Did you
wow.
release on that?
Yeah, that went all the way down.
Awesome. So head right into my hand. Just drop that shoulder there for me. Very good. Now just drop the head to the left, drop it.
Wow. I didn't know you can crack like that.
That was a big one. Wow.
That was.
How'd that feel?
That felt amazing.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So head right into my hand. Just drop that shoulder for me. Just drop it. Wow.
It's hard to get used to.
You heard it going before we even
Yeah,
adjusted.
exactly.
It's crazy.
Felt great.
Good release it. Wow. Alright, so lunge right up top here, on both sides, please. So I'm gonna start by adjusting right in the mid-back, okay?
Okay.
So nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. One more time for me, deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Alright, so I'm gonna hold you here, my legs are going on top of yours, okay? Okay, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it. Very good. Same thing here, okay? Very good. That's so weird. And just relax it down. Very nice. So I'm just going to adjust some movement as we go through. Yeah, we'll get some good release. Just relax it. Very good. Much better. Perfect.